Yo, what is up, guys? Today is not motovlog day, but today is a day that I've been waiting for a very, very, very long time, okay? We are finally doing some mods on my Miata. Now listen, I don't care what your opinion is. It's my Miata. I'm gonna do what I want with it. So the first thing we're gonna do is headlights, okay? So here's the headlights I decided to go with. Look at those guys. Obviously, they're gonna have a better view outside of the car. So I'm very excited to do those. Have I ever done a headlight on Miata? Nope, but we're gonna figure it out. Also today, we are doing an exhaust. I have more stuff coming. This is gonna be, I'm gonna pick up a video later, you'll see, but we are gonna do an exhaust next, after the headlights. Headlights first, because I was driving the car to Best Buy. Can't do an exhaust job when the exhaust is hot, right? So I'll show you what exhaust I went with. Very, very excited to do that, but we're doing that in this video. So let's do some headlights. Can we just take a second to appreciate? Look at that paint. Look at that. Can we just take a minute to appreciate that? I waxed it yesterday. Listen, I love that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. All right, back to the headlights. I don't remember what to do. I love magnetic trays. Oops, dropped my screwdriver.
Look at that, yeah.
We got it. Here we go. My back hurts. Oh, I'm getting old.
Uh-oh.
There she is. Yes. Yes. Victory screech. Oh, yes. Out with the old, boys. Looks like we're doing eye surgery. Okay. Now, this should just be plug and play. That's why I didn't do halos. I didn't want to do any extra wiring. Halos are probably coming in the future, but right now is not that time. Not my retainer clip. Looks like the same plug, so that's a start, but knowing my luck, it ain't gonna be. Here we go. All right, it's gonna be hard to see in the daytime, but let's see if we see light come out of there. Oh gosh. Oh yeah. Okay, I looked right into that. That was a mistake. That was blinding. All right, reinstallation time. Oh, fuck my butt. The bottom fell off. There we go. I know it was not a very good view, but I literally had to be right in front of it. Here, there it is. So new headlight, obviously with her, you know, she's got her plastic on. We'll wait to take the plastic off, but time to put the shroud on. Here we go. Let's see. Yep. All right, boys. Now it's time for the next one. New angle. Here we go. Oh, this one's missing a screw. Well, that's lovely to know. I didn't do that. They did. Oh my God, this one's missing a screw too. There's only 2 screws on this one. That son of a... Well, that's not a good sign. This one wasn't even screwed in all the way. It's a good thing we're doing this. Shroud. And now the bolts. Oh gosh. Microfiber. Yeah, that screw's kind of a pain. Comes off so nicely, but man, was it a pain in the ass to get off. Oh, and this one has both tabs. Perfect. That's what we like to see, right? Whoops, and I think I just broke both of them. Old one. All right, here's the test. Yep, perfect. Now let's just hope this ring goes in. Please, just look, listen, not this shit again. Ah! Ah!
Yeah.
Yes, 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 yes. Boom. Yes. Shroud time with the 2 frickin' screws. All right, now the real scary moment to see if they close and clear. They should, hopefully, God please. All right, here we go. All right, ASMR time. Oh. All right, here we go, number 2. Oh my gosh. All right, so those are done. So now on to the one I'm a little bit nervous about, the exhaust. All right, let's do it. All right, so didn't film it, but I just got the ramps out. These are the ramps I'm using. I like ramps more than jacks. Sorry, kill me. Here it is, boys. This is what I went with. Now it looks pretty straightforward, but my luck is never that good. So here we go. So that's the before, obviously, stock. It is what it is. Now it's time to make some improvements, boys. There's spiders in here. Gotta break out the Hyper Toughs. No spider bites around here, boys. Not bad, not bad. Give her a shake test. Oh yeah, we're good. And yes, by the way, I do have wheel chocks. We're putting them in right now. All right, boys, got these, got the impact. It's time. Okay, here we go. First look. Going underneath. Oh gosh. Okay, So there's the hangers. Bolts are way over there, so we should be all right, because I'm going cat back. I have one hanger there. I have a hanger there in this big tin can. All right, boys, it's game time. All right, they're 14s. All right, it's gonna get fucking loud underneath here. There's not much room under there, huh? That didn't loosen at all. Uh-oh. Oh no. I'm stripping it. I knew this was gonna be a pain. Okay, so this may be kind of a random jump in the video. So I'm gonna overlay a clip while I'm talking of what it looks like outside right now. Now you might be wondering, what the fuck? Why does it look like that? And you just saw me trying to install an exhaust a little bit ago. Okay, I have a little bit of a story time for you guys, okay? So, those bolts were so rusted on that I used penetrating lube, WD, I mean everything, impact as you saw, nothing would get those bolts come out. They finally, one of them I ended up stripping, one of them I didn't strip, one of them, or two of them. I ended up stripping one and I was like, it's not worth it. I got an attitude, I'm not gonna lie to you. I had a little bit of an episode, okay? So what I ended up doing is I was calling around some exhaust shops to get it installed, and I called the shop. The guy was like, you're gonna have a really hard time getting somebody to install that, but there's some places on Federal that'll do it for you. And I was like, of course, it's fucking Federal. Why wouldn't it be Federal? First shop I call on Federal, I was like, yo, would you guys put on an exhaust that I bought? And he's like, sure. And I was like, oh, sick, can I make an appointment? He's like, no, we don't do appointment. First come, first serve. And I was like, how busy are you today? You know, like, how busy are you today? He's like, you want to come today or tomorrow? I was like, today, dude. And he's like, if you're here in 20 minutes, I can get it done for you. So I literally left my tools outside and ran to downtown Denver off Federal to get this motherfucker installed. So you'll never believe this. When I was on 6th Avenue trying to hurry to get to this place, I was like, yes, somebody's gonna install it. Let's go. I'm gonna get a new exhaust today. On 6th Avenue, I got a flat tire. My tire just blew out. So I drove from 6th Avenue to halfway down Federal on a flat tire. And to add the cherry on top, the exact turn that I needed, the intersection where I needed to turn into this exhaust shop, was completely tore out with construction. So I had to go 3 blocks further, 2 blocks down, and then all the way back up to this shop. I'll show you the clips in a second, but I did film while I was at the exhaust place, so here's a couple of those clips. So as you can see, I want to get some sound clips. I haven't really got any good sound clips. I want to do a cold start and all that stuff, so I'll put that in this video. But as you can see over here, the reason I'm filming this is because I got more car parts today. So we're gonna open those and also install them in this video, but obviously not right now because it was just a fucking blizzard. So let's open some packages. I think I know what these are. There's also one more I'm waiting for, but this one I'm pretty sure is cup holders because my cup holders are double dog duty bass ass cheeks. Okay, here we go. Damn, buddy did not want this thing to get broken. They're 3D printed. This is the first 3D printed thing I've bought, so hopefully it lasts and it holds up. You know, for being 3D printed, that actually looks pretty good. All right, next one. 2 boxes made in China. Uh-oh. So here's what those are. They're black LED side marker lights. I bought them LED. They should be plug and play. I hope. But I'm gonna go blacked out lights all the way around. I just bought new headlights that are black. The tail lights that the last guy installed were already blacked out. And then the 2 blinkers, that's the only thing. Oh no, I'm not waiting for those. They came. They are a light dark. They actually kind of match with these pretty well, actually. Quick change of plans. I'm just gonna install the cup holders right now because this is easy and I can do it from inside the car. So let me show you what happens. See? So look at this. So like when this water here, look, you see this? It's just dancing, right? It comes out, right? So we're gonna hopefully fix that. And it is very cold out here, look. Can you see my breath? You probably couldn't see my breath. It's cold out here, so hopefully this 3D printed stuff doesn't crack. And now I think this just should clip in, eh? Maybe not, maybe it goes this way. Ooh, it does go this way. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Good here. Look, it's still gonna tip, but let's just, oh. Well, there goes $30. It fit pretty good too. Oh man. Well, I'm gonna go cry. See you when I'm installing the lights. All right, it's a few days later. It's foggy, it's snowy, it's cold, but we out here. Next thing on the agenda, these ugly ass white blinkers. We got these we're gonna replace it with, and then we've got the side marker lights, and hopefully I only need a screwdriver, so hopefully today goes better than the last one. So let's work on these blinkers. Here's the before. Yep, it turns on. All right. Boom, boys. How does she look? Old, new. I think it's gonna look so much better, boys. Next one. Bingo. New bulb installed. Moment of truth, boys. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. You can't really tell if they're on, but they're on. Look at that. That is so much better. So here's the LED ones of these. They're also blacked out, but I gotta figure out which one of these are red and which one are yellow. Got some rubber gloves because this is a mess in here and hasn't been touched since 1992. So here we go. Okay, so these ones are orange. Perfect. Give me one click. Oh, now this side's turned. Oh, wow. That bulb just literally fell out. Okay. Well, not bulb, I mean the thing. Well, I gotta get that. How do I get, okay, here we go. It's a good thing we're doing this then. Got it, bitch. I just realized I installed it upside down. Fuck. Ah, yes. That fits way better. Oh my God, that fits 1,000 times better. Hello? Done. On to the back. Oh yeah, as you can see, still on the donut. Have to go to Walmart to get a new tire in 6 days, and then maybe some new wheels and tires, maybe already ordered, maybe. Oh, perfect. Here we go. Yes. All right, one more side, and this side was not working when I just tried it, so let's find out if we can fix it. Oh, well that would be why it's not working. Okay, there's not even any wires coming here. That okay. Well, huh? I guess I'm still gonna install it. I'll just stick this in there. Interesting. Whoops. Oh, I think it's time for some ASMR. Next on the agenda, we're gonna try, I don't know, because I bought universal mirrors, the only mirrors I could basically find for this car. As you can see, this is just flabby dabby loosey goosey. So I gotta replace that because I can't, it usually falls like this and I can't see ass. And when I adjust it, the wind just pushes it right back. So we're gonna get my mirrors and hopefully the mirrors work. This clip is already off on the passenger side, so we're gonna do the passenger side first. On the passenger side, this one's actually good. It's just this clip is loose and it won't pop back on. These are the mirrors I decided to go with. Blue, they're like the F1 style mirrors. I'm not the biggest fan of them, but that's all I could find. So this should go right there, hopefully. Let's do it. Now I don't have power windows, so theoretically, this should just be, it should just come right out. Yep, look at that, just like that. Moment of truth, let's see here. Screw these down. There she goes.
Hell yeah.
Whoops. All right, let's go see what they look like. Might be kind of hard for you guys to see, but before and after. I don't hate them too much, so let's get the other one installed. Boom, boys, done. I definitely don't hate them. They are gonna have to grow on me though. Let's go turn everything on and show you what all the mods we've done today. All right, so we have actually accomplished a lot today. We have installed new front running lights or blinkers, side marker LEDs, and the mirrors. So the only thing that I have left is wheels and tires and a steering wheel. and I'll probably make that its own separate video. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna get inside because I've been out here for 2 hours and I am freezing cold. So I hope you enjoyed all the mods we did today. I hope I was able to entertain you just a little bit. So you guys already know the drill. If you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.